Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So in this question, we are asked to find the area of given semicircle. So let us see what are the things given to us. First of all, we have a chord AB whose length is 7 units. Let the center of the semicircle be O and these 2 points let us name as C and D. So this angle is 23 degrees and this is 37 degrees. So first of all, let us write the formula for area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is half times area of a circle. That means pi times the square of radius. Let the small r represents the radius of this semicircle. So our focus will be to find this small r. For that, let us join O and A. So if we join OA, this will be the radius of the semicircle. This is the radius and OC is also the radius. So we are focusing on triangle OAC. So in this triangle, we will get OA is equal to OC is equal to the radius of the uh, semicircle. So these two lengths are equal. So we can say that triangle OAC is an isosceles triangle. If this triangle is an isosceles triangle, then we know the property of an isosceles triangle that the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So if this is 23 degrees, this is also 23 degrees. Now let us join points O and B. So if we see, OB is also radius of this semicircle. So now let us focus in triangle OAB. So in triangle OAB, we can see that OA is equal to OB because again both these are the radius of the semicircle. So we can say that this triangle OAB is also an isosceles triangle. And we just saw the property of an isosceles triangle that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So if we see this angle, this will be 37 plus 23, that is 60 degree. So this angle will also be 60 degree. Using angle sum property of a triangle, this angle will also be 60 degree. So now we can say that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. We have proved that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So all the sides are equal. And from here we will get R is equal to 7 units. Now we will substitute this value of R here. So we will get half times, in place of pi, we can substitute 22 over 7 times the square of radius. So 2 times 11 is 22. 7 and the 7 cancels, so we are left with 11 times 7, which is 77 square units. So it was a very simple question. We have found the area of semicircle to be 77 square units. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.